Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Daily Podcast, where learning English becomes part of your daily life. I'm Sarah.
And I'm John. We're so happy you're here with us today. Whether you're listening at home, on your way to work, or maybe even sitting in a cafe practicing your English, welcome.
Today's topic is something very real, very common, and very important. We're going to talk about social anxiety, especially social anxiety when speaking English.
Yes, that nervous feeling. That moment when your heart starts beating fast, when your mind suddenly goes blank, when you think, oh no, what should I say?
If that has ever happened to you, please know something very important. You are not alone.
Not at all. In fact, almost every English learner feels this way at some point. And honestly, even native speakers feel social anxiety sometimes.
That's true. Before recording some episodes, I still feel a little nervous.
Me too. So imagine learning a new language and trying to speak in front of others. Of course it feels scary sometimes.
So, today we're going to do three things. First, we'll explain what social anxiety is in very simple English. Second, we'll talk about common real-life situations. And third, we'll give you practical phrases you can actually use.
Simple phrases, natural phrases, friendly phrases.
Exactly, because our goal is not perfection.
Our goal is connection.
Let's break it down. Social means related to people, being with people, talking to people, maybe at a party, in a classroom, at work, or even online.
And anxiety is a feeling of worry or nervousness. It's when your body feels uncomfortable or stressed.
So, social anxiety is the nervous feeling you get when you are around other people.
Maybe your hands feel cold. Maybe your voice shakes a little. Maybe you start thinking, what if I make a mistake? Or what if they don't understand me?
For English learners, this feeling can feel even bigger because you're not just speaking, you're speaking in another language.
Exactly. You might know the grammar, you might know the vocabulary, but when it's time to speak, everything disappears.
Your brain says, "Error, system not working."
Yes, suddenly you forget even basic words like chair.
So let's say this clearly. Making mistakes is normal. Forgetting words is normal. Feeling nervous is normal.
And today, we're going to help you feel a little more confident.
Let's imagine a situation. It's your first day at a new job.
You walk into the office. You see people talking. Everyone looks busy. You don't know anyone.
How do you feel?
Probably nervous, maybe a little shy. Maybe you want to disappear.
Yes, that's very common.
So what can you say? You don't need a long speech. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need something simple.
The most powerful word in English is sometimes the simplest word. Hello.
Yes, or good morning.
And then you can add your name. Hi, I'm Sarah. Or, hello, my name is John.
That's it. Simple, clear, friendly.
Let's model a short conversation.
Okay, I'll be the person who already works there.
And I'm the new employee.
Good morning. You must be the new team member.
Yes, I am. Good morning, I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm John.
Nice to meet you too.
That's it. 4 lines and you already started building a connection.
You don't need to be interesting. You don't need to be funny. You just need to be present.
And smile. A smile helps more than perfect grammar.
Here's a small exercise. Practice introducing yourself out loud right now.
Yes, even if you're alone.
Say, hi, I'm, and put your name.
Say it again, a little louder.
Your brain needs repetition. Speaking is physical. Your mouth needs practice too.
Confidence grows with small actions, not big ones. Small ones.
Now, let's imagine another situation. You are in an English class.
You walk in. Students are sitting down. Some are already talking.
You want to speak, but you feel shy.
Here's some good news. Everyone in that room is learning. Everyone probably feels a little nervous too.
So instead of thinking everyone is confident except me, remember they might be thinking the same thing about you.
Exactly.
So what can you say to the person sitting next to you?
You can ask a simple question. Questions are powerful conversation starters.
For example, is this seat free?
Or, is this the English class?
Even if you know the answer, it starts a conversation. Let's role play again.
Okay.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, it is.
Thank you. I'm Sarah.
I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Is this your first class?
Yes, it is. I'm a little nervous.
Me too. And just like that, you made a connection.
Notice something important. When you say me too, you are building comfort.
Shared feelings create connection. Now let's move to a situation that many English learners find the most difficult, talking to a stranger.
Yes, maybe you're at a bus stop, maybe you're waiting in line at a coffee shop, maybe you're at a networking event.
You don't know the person, you don't know what to say, and your brain says, don't do it, this is dangerous.
But usually it's not dangerous, it's just uncomfortable.
In English-speaking cultures, there is something called small talk.
Small talk is a short, friendly conversation about simple topics. Nothing personal, nothing deep.
The weather is one of the most common small talk topics.
Yes, English speakers love talking about the weather.
So here are some very useful small talk sentences. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? It's really cold today. This place is busy today. I hope the bus comes soon.
Notice something important. Many of these sentences are comments, not questions.
Right. You're just describing the situation you both share. Let's imagine we're waiting for a bus.
Okay.
It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Perfect weather for a walk.
I agree. I just hope the bus arrives on time.
Me too. It's usually a little late.
That's it. Simple, natural, friendly.
And notice no personal questions like how old are you or how much money do you make?
Exactly. Small talk is light, safe, easy.
Okay, Sarah, but what if someone says, this sounds good, but I still feel extremely nervous?
Great question. Let's talk about some practical tools. Don't just read English, speak it.
Yes, your brain and your mouth need to work together.
Stand in front of a mirror and practice. Hello, how are you? Nice to meet you. My name is...
Yes, it might feel silly, but it works.
When we feel anxious, we breathe very fast.
And fast breathing tells your brain that something is wrong.
So try this. Breathe in slowly for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and breathe out slowly for 4 seconds.
Do that 2 or 3 times before speaking. Your body will calm down.
This is very important.
Yes, change your goal.
Your goal is not to speak perfect English.
Your goal is to communicate one idea.
One idea. That's it. For example, your only goal might be, I want to introduce myself.
Or, I want to ask one question.
When the goal is small, the fear becomes smaller.
Let's talk about some common habits that make learners more nervous.
One big one is trying to translate everything in your head before speaking.
Yes, you think in your language, then translate, then check grammar, then speak.
That creates pressure.
Instead, practice thinking in simple English.
Use short sentences. For example, instead of, I was wondering if perhaps you could possibly tell me, just say, can you tell me?
Simple English is powerful English.
Another small thing that can help you sound more natural is how you answer, how are you?
Many learners say, I am fine.
That's correct, but a little formal.
More natural responses include, I'm good, pretty good, Not bad. I'm doing well.
You can also add, how about you? That keeps the conversation going.
Another tip, short answers are natural.
If someone asks, is this your bag? You don't need to say, yes, this is my bag.
Just say, yes, it is, or even just, yes.
Native speakers use short answers all the time.
Let's practice together. We'll say a sentence, pause the podcast, repeat after us.
Ready? Hi, It's nice to meet you. Is this seat free? It's a beautiful day, isn't it? I'm a little nervous.
That last one is powerful.
Yes, saying I'm a little nervous is honest, and honesty creates connection.
If you remember one thing from today, remember this. Everyone feels nervous sometimes.
Confidence is not the absence of fear,
It's speaking even when you feel a little afraid.
and every small conversation is progress.
Maybe today you just say hello to someone.
That's a victory.
Maybe tomorrow you ask one question.
Another victory.
Your English journey is not about perfection.
It's about courage, practice, and connection. Thank you so much for spending your time with us today on the English Daily Podcast.
If this episode helped you, share it with a friend who is learning English.
And remember, practice a little every day. Even 5 minutes matters.
We believe in you.
Keep learning
Keep speaking.
and keep smiling.
See you next time.
Goodbye.